So hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernal sa Page Property by DMCI Home. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now, we're here at the Allegra Garden Place, Amina Building. So papakita ko sa inyo yung isang 1 bedroom, 41 square meters na meron tayo dito. So tara. So right now guys, ito yung 1 bedroom na meron tayo dito, which is yung 41 square meters. So yan, once na pagpasok natin, so this is the kitchen area. So again, so the turnover finishes that we have today is the granite countertop finish, the kitchen sink. So meron tayong kitchen cabinet, so soft close system na siya. Plus we have the provision for the exhaust. And ito nga guys, to add up again, so meron tayong mga pull-out cabinets here. So what I like about this unit is magkahiwalay yung bedroom niya tsaka yung living area niya. So we could put our dining area here plus the living area here. So nandito ang ating entertainment system. Tapos nandito na rin yung access niya for the balcony. And guys, take note, ang balcony niya, makikita natin dito na napakalaki. For a 1 bedroom, kasi yung 1 bedroom natin usually kay DMCI is 4 square meters. Ito, 8 square meters. So napakalaki niya. At the same time, glass balcony na siya. So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung isang bathroom area niya. So ito guys, ito ang gusto ko sa bathroom area na to, na hindi na restrict yung space niya in terms of yung pagpunta niyo sa shower area tsaka dito sa toilet natin and lavatory natin. So na-maximize talaga yung space niya. And here, this is the bedroom area. So this is one spacious bedroom. So pwede natin lagay yung mga cabinets natin dito, working table natin, and yung bed natin. So we could play around here yung mismong design and layout niya. And ito guys, ang provision pala natin for this unit is a window type or split type aircon. So makikita natin dito si Allegra kasi, di ba? Before sa mga videos ko, tsaka sa project presentation ko before, upgraded na at mas malaki na yung windows niya. So makikita natin dito na pwede na kayong lumusot dito. Ayan. And guys, marami pa tayong available units here kay Allegra Garden Place. Most likely kay Soraya Building. So if ever you have any questions about this unit, or kung gusto nyo pa mag-explore kung ano ba yung gusto nyo, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, we still have available units here in Allegra Garden Place. So please feel free to contact me. So natin yung contact details ko is my Page Property. Yan. And please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Facebook page and Instagram. And pwede tayo mag-Zoom meeting guys and site tripping. So maraming salamat guys, and have a great day ahead, and God bless.